Hello guys, this is Ivan. Just one trade has finished in the money here using eScalper. So we have here eScalper on gold, Bitcoin, and also we have here new. Let's put it here like this. Scalper lock trader, new trader, scalping trader. So what we have here, breakout plus and breakout box. This is automated version. RSI strategy. Trendy trader, you see. 4 trades, 1 not in the money, 3 in the money. This is something else. Scalper buy signal. Here we could enter the trade with scalper. Let's open some expert advisor because today MS trader, for example. I will not explain much about any of them. Trend expert advisor, latest one. You have everything on my webpage or on my YouTube. Omega Turbo Trader, fantastic, one of the top 3 systems ever here. Engulfing strategy. Also here you can get automated version if you want. So some of my systems you have seen. As I said, you can go to my webpage, and for every product I have video beside, and you can click and see the rules, how to use it and everything. eScalper for everything. Of course, more videos. For example, here you can find on my YouTube for eScalper at least 50 videos in last few months, all in live. So guys, I am in very, let's say, rush. I have to leave in 10 minutes. So I will give you a special weekend promo, not connected with any specific product. You will choose whatever you want. This is Trendy Trader and Trendy Indicator. So for example, just for example, it is Trendy Trader 389, and if you want both, and indicator. For example, only I'm telling you, altogether they are 578. And today you can get in a promo of 78 only. So for any, you don't need to take this. You don't need. This is just example. But for example, these two, Trendy Indicator, Trendy Expert Advisor, 78, or we can see the same here. This is also Expert Advisor and Indicator, both 78, both. And this is the price for today. So you can go to my webpage, you can choose any 2 products for 78. You can choose even the latest RSI-CCI strategy. You see we are again in $10,000 profit. So you choose any MS16 trader, Trend Expert Advisor, Omega Turbo Trader, I don't know, whatever you like, but 2. Any 2 products, expert advisor, indicator, whatever. 78 today. Plus bonus. You will, of course, it is going with unlimited licenses, and bonus. I have to go. I cannot leave without this. And for a bonus, guys, I will today only. Remember that today only. Today you will get as a bonus RSI-CCI strategy for 78 free products. Any 2 of your choice, plus this as a gift. So this is my promo for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So on weekend, the same, but 98 euro. 98 for free products, 2 of your choice, any, plus this is my gift. So if you are quick, today it is 78 for free. It is all in description box. But tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, 98. So I have to go, guys. This is what I am offering. Free products for 78 or 98. It is up to you to choose better price today or pay something more tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So have a nice day. Bye bye.